Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your XIAOMI 17T Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you're using USB-C headphones, then make sure to clean the charging port. So first we're going to talk about wired headphones. Here at the bottom we got the charging port. We want to make sure that it is clean and that there's no dust inside. As you guys can see, let me put it on the light. There's nothing inside my port, but if you do find something in yours, you can use a soft brush to get rid of it. And this is the method that I'm using on a daily basis whenever something's just not working right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So we all know that dust can block the connection, but sometimes the real blocker can be the system. Sometimes it just needs a refresh. So press the power button, volume up button, and swipe down to reboot your device. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. So after the restart, what we're going to do is, if you're using an adapter, make sure there's a original one or a certified one. So the adapter for 3.5mm jack is pretty normal, and sometimes it's just common that it breaks down any second without any explanation why. Or basically it's just an issue with the adapter itself because it's cheap. So that's why we want to make sure that we use an original one or a certified one. You can test another pair of headphones. Of course, you can try getting your headphones and connect them to any other device that is not our XIAOMI, and see if that works. Maybe the charging port is just broken, or you can try and change the adapter and see if maybe it's just the adapter issue. So after that, what are we going to do as a last resort for the wired headphones is go to settings, about phone, and update our software. So we're going to click on HyperOS right here, and I got no new updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you do them. It's very important. And now we can move on and go to the Bluetooth headphones. So the first thing I always do is turn my Bluetooth off and on. So now it's enabled. Let me quickly disable and enable it. So this is a quick restart. This is what I'm always doing. And after that, what are we gonna do is we need to forget our headphones from here. So now let me just quickly get my headphones in, and as you guys can see, they're connecting. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna click on the arrow, and in the arrow now we need to scroll down and click on pair. So now they are not paired anymore. This is an old device, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna repair them again. So I do have the AirPods 3 Pros, and the pairing just requires me to double tap the front of my case. So it'll be different for everybody. As you guys can see, let me quickly double tap, and as you guys can see, it's gonna be here. Now we can click it, and this is how the pairing process looks for me. So you need to enter your device into the pairing mode, and of course after that, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and make sure that our headphones are charged fully. As you guys can see, I got my case is at 91%. My left and right AirPod is at 100. And of course, it is normal that it won't connect when your case is, let's say, at 0% and your headphones are charged. And that's why we want to make sure that everything is charged here. After that, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we avoid any other device interference. So for example, if I do have an iPhone and I want to pair it to the XIAOMI 17T Pro, then maybe it will connect to an iPhone. That's why we want to make sure that we disable the Bluetooth for any other phone, so that it doesn't connect to our headphones. And the last resort is to factory reset your phone, and of course update your software. So first we're gonna talk about updating the software. So click on About Phone, tap on the HyperOS, and here you will have an option to download your latest version if you're not on one already. And to factory reset it, you go to Factory Reset, click Erase All Data, but before that, go to Backup and Restore, click on Local and Mobile Device. Make sure that you back it up. Make sure that you back up everything that you have on your device. Then you will be able to click on Backup. And after that, if you factory reset your phone, you will just go to Restore, and here you will have your backup. So now you can proceed with factory resetting. We're gonna click on erase all data, and as you guys can see, we have to click on factory reset here. Now it will check everything, and we can clear the eSIMs and etc., and we will be done. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.